welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing an Atlas crate, and I'm very excited to get into the Atlas crate this month. I've really been enjoying it. I think it's a great resource for homeschooling or just an extra activity for kids. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to show you some curriculum ideas, some organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's open this Atlas crate. So this one's about Thailand. It says create a shadow puppet show, build a floating kathrong. All these different names are getting to me, guys. And explore Thailand. So apparently I just need to learn more languages and then we'd be fine. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. So it always comes with this card, this envelope, I guess. It's like a little envelope. And usually this says hello, I'm guessing. I don't know. I don't speak Thai. I had a friend growing up that was from Thailand and I had a lot of fun playing with her and eating all their yummy food. So when you open this up, it usually has a little activity you can do down here at the bottom, just like a quest through if you want to add more to the Atlas crate and have some activities to do. And then we have our picture up here of Thailand. And then these always have tons of fun activities on them. And it has little friends that kind of follow us through our journey so you can read about some of the stuff that they did. You know, they did. And then we have elephants here. So it's gonna talk a little bit about the elephants. And then the floating markets. That sounds pretty cool. And tigers. I'm not really sure what this one is about, but it has some sort of game, I think, on the back. And then pad thai. So you can make something yummy. They always usually come with one or two activities and then some sort of food item that you can make. So in here, we're going to do our shadow puppet theater. So this is the instructions for that. And then this is the little floating river thing that I don't know how to say the name for. So we're gonna make that as well. So here is a few of the things in here. I don't know exactly, these might be for a little flower that's floating on the water. I don't know if it's a flower. Oh boy, this is going well. And then we have this big foam circle that has a couple holes in it. And then some more pieces to make our little decorative floating island thing. And then this is a big foam piece that has sticky on the back, it looks like. And we have some wood pieces right here. And then our elephant. So this is for our little shadow box puppet show thing. And we have a few more little pieces right here and some brads right there. And a little light. This looks pretty cool. It reminds me of a little bike light or one you put on a helmet or something. And then this box that has no label on it. Okay, so it has something that looks like for the little shadow puppet we're gonna do. What did they even call it? I don't even know. It is a shadow puppet show. So that must be what this is for. It's all rolled up, so I'm not gonna take it out right now. But that's what's in this crate. So I'm really excited to try out this month. I, again, just have really been enjoying the Atlas crate. So we're excited to explore Thailand and let you know how it goes. Okay, so we just finished doing the Atlas crate and it was so fun, guys. I have really loved doing the Atlas crate. It has surprised me. It's had wonderful activities and games and I've just really enjoyed doing them with my kids, and I feel like they work really well with a group and teach us how to share and take turns. So that's important. So let me just show you some of the things that we made. So the first thing I think is super pretty. And the story behind it is really cool. So this, I do not know how to say this, kathrong maybe? That's the little pamphlet. And so they put these in the water. This is supposed to be a candle. Obviously, we didn't actually light it. It probably would have all just gone up in flames, which would have been very exciting. So I thought this was very pretty, and putting it together was a lot of fun. Just how everything worked out. It was just a really, really cool activity. But then you put them in the water, they put them in the pond, and when it's dark, and from what I understood from the story, if the light goes out before this disappears and you can't see it, then you're not gonna have good luck. But if the light keeps going and it disappears before the light goes out, then you have good luck for the year. So don't let your light go out. But anyways, I really love this. I just thought it was super, super cute. And we even put it in the kitchen sink and it floated around, and it was a lot of fun, and the kids really enjoyed it. So that was one of the activities. And the other one was a puppet show. So here is the screen right here for it. And then we have a bunch of little puppets that come with it. So this one is a shark, and supposedly its mouth is supposed to move, but I don't feel like it works super well. But it's still fun. And these little, I don't know, they're like legs. You put them behind the screen so then you can keep your hand flat and push them forward and back, because if your hand pops up behind the screen, then you see the shadow of your hand, and you don't want that. So then we have a cat, a tiger maybe, and then an elephant right here, and then a lizard or gecko. I don't really know my reptiles very well, but something like that. So there's our little puppets, and my kids had a fun time. We didn't go in a complete dark spot. We just went at the very top of the basement stairs where it was still dark, turned on the light, and they played with it. We had to fiddle with the light a little bit, but they had a really fun time doing it. And I really enjoy this crate. I don't know, I'm gonna say that all the time because I just think it is so fun. And then in here, we didn't try this game. It seems a little complicated for my mind. I don't know if it really is a game of strategy, but from reading the instructions, that's what it kind of seemed like, and like more like chess, and I'm not super great at those things. But I wanted to mention the pad thai because I did actually make it. I made it for lunch, and so it has a recipe on the back, and it was delicious. The flavor was really good, and it was really easy to make. I added some mushrooms to it just to add a few more vegetables. The only struggle for me is that I don't really love the texture of rice noodles. They're just like sticky and slimy, and it's not my favorite. So I feel like I probably would have liked it better with maybe just making it more fried rice, or with linguine, which it mentions if you don't have rice noodles, you could use pasta. And so, but I really loved it. I thought it had great flavor. It was a very simple recipe. It took maybe 15 minutes to make, and then it was delicious. It had really good flavor. So all in all, I really, really loved this crate, and I just thought it was a lot of fun. And I'm excited to see what next month brings, because I have been enjoying it so much. That's the theme of this video. The Atlas crate is awesome, and I enjoy it. So if you're interested in seeing more of these videos, please give me a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.